Hi, Anisa here. We are starting with our foyer. It's gonna be a quick tour because our foyer is tiny. I love sconces. If you know me, I'm gonna put a sconce everywhere because it creates mood lighting and ambiance and you don't have to have overhead lights on. So one of my favorite places to buy lighting is Schoolhouse Electric. Yep, it's good. And guys, aged brass never goes out of style. This is from Etsy. I love paint by numbers. Some people love them, some people hate them. I think if someone took the time to sit here and paint by number, then you should love them. I love blues and greens. So I appreciate someone's hard work there. Mine would look so bad. A good lumbar pillow. It doesn't really make sense to have a pillow on such a short bench, but who cares? It's texture, right? Okay, so I like stripes. This is a custom pillow, but I love wide stripes, cabana stripes, pin stripes. What other kind of stripes? Lots of stripes. I like stripes. This is an antique bench. However, I found this years ago at Home Goods, believe it or not. You can find them online. Just source antique wooden bench. I'm sure you can find one, or we'll look up a source for you. This I got from World Market. I have the kids dump their shoes in here. We try to not wear shoes in the house past this foyer area, but it doesn't work so well. So, and usually it's overflowing with shoes and I had to just chunk them in the garage so that it wouldn't be overflowing with shoes. Trying to show you a little order. I doubt they still sell them, but we'll find you a source. Moving right along, this way. Okay, right here. These are great for tan blinds. I really like them. They're all lined, and these are from blindster.com. They've held up really good. We've had these for almost 6 years. Right here, retractable baby gate. We are out of the baby phase, but we still have friends with babies, so I keep it up so that when moms are visiting, they don't have to worry about their toddler crawling up the stairs, so we can have a great deep conversation for 2 minutes. Right here, baskets, so important. First landing, top of the floor, the second floor, because this is where all the crap goes. Like, we've got Nerf guns in here, and so I know this comes downstairs, that comes downstairs, this goes upstairs. Things need to be put away. This I made with reclaimed wood, like seriously 6 years ago. It's probably gonna get switched out, but you can take a piece of reclaimed wood, put some little hooks on it, and there you go, got a little shelf. Because it's not a shelf, it's a hook. We converted our front hall closet into a game closet. We were really tight on space when we moved in here. So this gets overflowed with jackets. Over here is our stairwell family collage, and this is probably one of my most sentimental things that we've done. The frames are all crooked. You can put command strips behind them or whatever you need to, that little petty stuff to tack them. Shows that there's life going on because they're all crooked because the kids all, you know. But I love it. I seriously will sit here and go by and be like, there's my dad, there's my brother's wedding, and I see all these sentimental moments, some big, some small, but I love it. So those were probably under $400 from IKEA, and then I printed the pictures out at Costco. And then over here, we've got Atlanta on the Rise flag. They sell them at Citizen Supply, however they might be sold out, and I love it because we live close to Atlanta, Georgia. We're in Roswell, about 20 minutes north, but this is our city. And Wild Standard also sells them, maybe not that, but maybe city close to you, or you can also custom make them. So that about concludes our tour, but I want to say too, with the stairwell collage, we do virtual design, and that's something we can easily help you with. Spacing and trying to lay out family collage. We get asked that a lot, and it's just a great way to fill up a huge wall. But if you're apprehensive or nervous about those first few nails, we can help you with that. So stay tuned. We're going to share more sources, more rooms, and thanks for following along.